everyone, Lynette here with Charmed Grammy Crochet. I'm doing a second video today, but you'll see it tomorrow. Just letting you know I'm pre-recording because I have the content to do it, and the other video was already long, and I wanted this one to be on its own. So I got happy mail. I got happy mail from my good friend Cindy at Freeze Baby Fiber. I was so shocked. I did not know that she was sending me mail. I've had it for a few days, hoping to see her in Zoom to open it with her, but I haven't seen her in Zoom. Probably my fault. I haven't been in there as much as I normally am. I don't know, since I haven't been working, I don't know where the time goes. It's almost noon here, and I've been busy, but I feel like I haven't gotten anything done. So I just don't get it. I don't know how I found time to work. I don't know how I'm going to find time to go back to work. But anyway, back to Cindy. She sent me this, and I did open it just at the end so we can see what's in here now. I didn't have an easy time. And I didn't want to fight with it on camera, so I pre-slit. But like I said, I haven't taken anything out. There. And I know it's from Cindy because her address is on the other side, and so that's how I know who it is from. But let's see. So I have a wrapped package in here, and this is a card that she has sent me from St. Augustine, Florida. It's a lighthouse, as you can see. Historic St. Augustine Lighthouse. Photo by John Nyberg, it says. And she says on here, open inside too. Oh, open inside too. Oh, okay. She said she saw this and thought of me. So, and it says open inside. I don't know if it, oh, look at this. Look at that. It's got an elephant design all over the fabric. So I'm assuming she didn't make this. Cindy sews. She makes bags, but I'm assuming she didn't make this because well, I don't know why I would assume that. Did you make this, Cindy? There's no reason to assume you didn't make this. There's something in there. It says, there's a card. Modern design meets inspiring art forms. Block print. Block printing is traditional art form native to someplace in India. Artisans handcraft a wood block with a pattern inspired by local flora and fauna, dip it into dye, and then carefully stamp fabric, creating beautiful patterns. To save this ancient art, we're applying block print to more modern designs. We've also improved the process, saving water, using unbleached cotton and natural and non-toxic dyes. Discover more designs, meet the artisans, see impact at, well, I'm going to put that up there. And you can write it down. And this is what, so there's a rock in here. Oh, look at the turquoise in there. All shiny and pretty. Well, very pretty, thank you. And there's a stitch marker in here. Let me get it out of the bag. It's in a very cute little bag, but you won't be able to see. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's pretty. This is Creative Chaos Crochet, Coffee, Yarn, and Chaos. And they're on Etsy. And there's a hashtag. So let's see. This is the elephant with the purple pin. Purple right there. Isn't it adorable? And here is the information from Creative Chaos. on Etsy and a hashtag for them. And there's their, maybe that's a YouTube, I don't know. So very cool. Thank you so much, Cindy. I totally love that. I totally love that. And if you made this, did you like buy the fabric and make it? I think not. I think you bought it already made. But it's so awesome. Very well made. I totally love it. Totally love it. So thank you so much, Cindy. It's wonderful. Uh-oh. And since I can't find my I still can't find my go bag, my normal go bag. Maybe this will be the new Notion pouch that goes in my new go bag that I have to find or make or create. Just put my, usually in my go bag, I carry, I throw the yarn for the project, the yarn, and a pair of scissors that I had that had a case. And in the little case, I would keep an extra stitch marker and a darning needle. But I could put a pair of scissors and a darning needle and a couple of stitch markers in here and throw that in my new go bag. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So thank you so much, Cindy. I appreciate it very, very much. Love you. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.